that now later.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient.
Hello,
Sushi!
Sushi!
Squizzle!
Squad!
In the Bizzle! Damn, I'm looking kind of... It's all about the shirt, you guys. Like, I swear to God, when
the
I wear...
tightest shirts.
Dude, you put on a medium, bro? And like...
Medium?
And like, you just feel so jacked. But then when you put on a large or an XL, which I actually like the baggy look,
you feel like a scrawny little twig. 12 years old.
it's weird. But
I haven't recovered from
last episode? Yeah.
Emotional damage.
Emotional damage! That's why I wore the shirt, is because I wanted to bring the guns out. You see what I did there, Wooer? Is that why you love me? Because of those comments?
You sound like a tool.
Yeah, bro. The gun show. Did you get tickets?
You just spat on me. Hey!
Alright, I'm a little worried because a lot of people in the comments basically said if we thought that last episode was crazy and hype, people are basically saying it's just getting started.
I know, people are like, pain saw! I was
Yeah.
like, what? Pain saw!
I hope... We'll see what happens. I think for sure Makima's still alive though.
I think so, there's like no way that she's dead.
Yeah, and we saw her in the ending and I don't know. I think Aki's gonna live, obviously Denji's alive, so I think when it's all said and done, we're only gonna have lost... What was her name?
Himeno.
Himeno. I'm not good with names, y'all. Like, yeah. I don't think names are honestly that important in
Dude,
terms
he's like Inosuke.
Like, I know faces and I know characters.
Yeah.
I picture them and I know, but...
I think it legit took you like 5 episodes to remember Tanjiro's name.
Oh yeah.
Your very first, like...
Oh, for sure it did.
Your very first name that you have to remember.
Oh, for sure it did, yeah.
But now I think you're getting better at remembering, like, Japanese names.
Yeah, I'm getting better, but it still takes a little while, like...
Yeah.
And on top of that, we're watching so many shows with so many names. Most of them are on our Patreon. Wait. All right, let's go, y'all. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys.
Yeah, let's go.
Shout out to everyone that joined us for our live stream.
That was fun. That was so much fun.
So much fun.
Yeah.
We're still kind of shook from some of those donations, you guys.
That was insane. I almost cried.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's just dive in and see the emotional damage that we're gonna get from watching this episode. Love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Yeah.
Gang, Sushi Squad. Get it.
And... Oh, no! This makes me sad.
Damn, bro.
Dude, who is
She's
this
strong
person?
as hell, man.
Did she just lose one fingernail?
Yes, I
just
saw
for
it.
that?
Bro. Yeah, see, she's missing fingernails.
She doesn't have to lose that much.
Or a fingernail.
Wow.
No way.
Oh! Wait, I wonder if it was the demon that did that, or was that Jimena's like last? Yeah.
Why are they after his heart though?
Come on, F them up.
Dude. Wait, pause. I get to kill you a second time?
Cause he shot him. Right?
Oh, that was. Oh yeah, he turned. That was him, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Or were you right about him, like the Yakuza? Remember they killed him
Yeah.
afterwards? Yeah, either way.
Either way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. The song.
Dude. His voice. This VA is my favorite.
Yeah. Come on!
Oh god, that didn't look
Intro.
good. That angle looked like Denji was about to get sliced up.
Yeah. Dude, only one fingernail?
That must have to do with
That's
the
too
contract.
easy.
Like
Yeah.
that is such a good deal.
Such a good deal.
Send reinforcements. Damn, this fight scene is sick.
Whoa. They look like brothers.
I know. Just sword and chainsaw.
Yeah. Or katana. Who are these people?
What the?
Yeah,
Oh!
right.
Let's go, baby!
He got sliced.
Uh,
Oh!
yeah.
I thought he was gonna slice his arm off.
He needs to chop his head off.
Actually, no. I think they're just minions. He doesn't care, right? Or does he actually care?
He's joking.
Right?
He's not. That's not. There's no way he cares. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Bro, he's so freaking fast. He killed the homie too. His homie.
I mean, I don't think that was actually his homie. They're just like,
I
they just
know.
work for them. No, Aki. Huh? Oh.
Yeah, it was. So he's the grandson.
Dude, that face.
Bro.
Oh my gosh. Everyone.
The
dude.
whole squad.
Everyone. Dude, she cannot be dead. I knew it! But like, then what is her contract with the devil? Or is she like a fiend?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. She has, because her eyes
Yeah.
are kind of like powers.
マジマキマさん死んでる
じゃあうちら待ちそうかよ
There she is, right?
Is that?
Yeah.
Look like man boots.
Yeah.
もう銃撃がマキマさんその血は
どこか撃たれましたかこれは返り血私
Whoa, she's like trying to keep it
I wasn't shot.
under wraps.
Maybe she's secretly like a fiend, but she doesn't want the humans to know. Oh, this makes me feel like she's evil.
現在被害状況を確認中とのことです
今すぐ
敵の目的はデンジ君だここで対応しよう黒瀬君法務省から
Oh,
近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って あとは
what's she gonna do? Yeah, are they about to like offer these humans?
Yeah, they're,
Right?
she wants to like, she's like creating a little gang.
Unless she's making a deal with like a devil by offering these humans, right? To use like the devil's powers. I don't know. There's a reason why she chose convicts of life sentences or more.
Right, they have nothing to
At a
lose.
temple.
They have nothing to lose. Huh.
Sorry.
しばらく俺はもう戦えねえぞ。
お前も手
どこ持ちゃいいんだよ。
I feel like something's gonna pop up.
なんか、なんだこれ。
What is?
He can sense something's weird.
変な感じってどういう
Oh! Oh my
Who
god!
did that? Whoever did that is now my new favorite character.
He like smashed him like a can.
いい班 C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させる
Verify Makima's
That's
body?
Makima's power? Or contract
Yeah.
with the devil.
Oh!
Oh, yes!
Oh my god!
Yes!
They're being popped like pimples.
Wait, I want to understand that more.
Yeah, she knows. She
Yeah.
knows that that's her power, or like, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Contract with the. Oh my god.
But she could do that remotely?
Dude, I think because she's literally offering up these
Or-
bodies.
Maybe it's the crows.
No, like, look, see, she's offering these human bodies. Because this power is so powerful.
Oh, dude, she's dirty.
Yeah, what? Why them?
傍聴官直属のデビルハンターよ。一階のデビルハンターやと契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
Oh.
Oh, okay.
She has multiple contracts? I'm scared.
He's dead next. Oh.
Oh! It's twisted!
And is he just he's
This
just
is
dead?
all dead. That's insane.
But it at least looks painless for them a little bit.
I guess. But dang, now I'm like, I kind of see her in a different light. Like, I don't know if it's good or bad. I mean, at least she's choosing like convicts sentenced to life, but still.
Dude, this is unreal.
Oh my
This
god.
ability or this deal, contract,
Yeah.
however you want to explain it. Damn, that
Dude,
would.
oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh, this is sick.
Dude. No one can help you. Oh my gosh. But I didn't know you can make a deal and not offer
Right.
yourself. You can offer someone else.
Pause. And that also doesn't explain how she was shot in the head and recovered.
I think okay, so they said like contracts. So I think she has multiple contracts with different demons or devils. And I think one of them is like,
I'll keep you alive.
yeah, keep me alive and then I'll give you something. Like, it must be something really, really big.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, this is insane.
Either that or she is part devil, like kind of like a fiend.
Yeah.
And
Well,
she was just able to heal because there was so much blood around her.
maybe she has a contract with the devil to have fiend-like powers.
Abilities.
And that's why her eyes are,
Like that.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll learn more, but it's freaking sick.
They're being popped.
But who's gonna come and rescue? And why can't she do it to? Oh, I guess it's probably
It's too
to humans,
easy. Like,
since they're not.
yeah, I don't know.
Damn, yeah. It's just a life for a life. Human life for life.
外してよし
Damn, she's insane.
ここで私ができることは終わりました
Wow.
マキマンだ。大丈夫な間に逃げるぞ。チクショー。
Oh, was it that one girl that was like her?
Oh yeah.
So he died. Oh, but did he save her? What is she about to do?
I know.
No!
Nah.
Oh my gosh!
Damn,
What?
She's kind of a beast?
Wait, how? I didn't know that she had this power. She always seemed so like timid and scared.
She...
Oh, wow. She's using him as a shield.
Damn.
Wait, she's actually coming in clutch.
I know, she was the one that was super afraid, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Panicking.
yeah.
Come on. One in the head, one in the head, one in the... Okay.
I mean,
Well,
at least she
saved
saved.
Denji.
Yeah. Dang, dude.
Is she,
What?
how is she that, like...
I know that was kind of out of character, but I guess
We'll find out.
fight or flight.
But that snake seems so powerful.
Yeah.
So the fact that she just...
Oh.
She's getting kind of crazy.
Yeah.
You kind of need to be, I feel like.
Oh, her partner. How did she get that?
survive?
Yeah, get out of that.
Oh, dude, so she...
Dude, how
re-
she's
oh!
Dude, this whole episode.
It's just
Casualties on casualties, man.
super unpredicted, too. Hard to predict that. Damn. She doesn't even know. God.
どかくん、生きててよかった。得意化はどれくらい生きてる？
得意1か2か。
Damn.
を狙った銃での襲撃。銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね。
上から通達です。得意4課をマキマさんの指揮下に置きます。得意化がきな臭くなってきました。
Dude, honestly, I would quit too.
Quit or get killed. I ain't no quitter.
最後に教えてください。マキマさんは
の内部事情を教えられないな。
Oh!
今までありがとう。
Hey, you played yourself. Congratulations, homie.
Makima-san, 俺たち得意化に
They're like, please, no.
残なのに
It seems.
To die for?
Pause. Hold on. Yeah, I mean, end of the episode. Anything we want to talk about before we watch the ending?
I wanted to watch the ending. But I mean, this was a
crazy episode. I don't think it was more crazy than last
no,
episode.
no. I feel like we're already ready for just like insane stuff now. So.
But I'm super pumped about Makima's power. And
yeah.
learning more about that, and she could do it remotely. I do think they showed the scenes of the crows, and then the crows like flew back to where she was.
What if she has eyes in the crows?
That's what I'm saying. Is like, because how else would she have single-handedly like selected who dies? Like she needs to see. I don't know. So there's a lot of kind of like depth to that part, but I'm pumped about it. Honestly, that was super sick seeing them just. Oh shit! All right, let's go. And what's her face? I forgot her name.
Oh yeah, I don't know her name.
The timid girl. That was a shocking surprise. She's a G.
What if she becomes like a pretty big character?
She's gonna have to.
You know what I mean? The character development of her.
Based on what we are hearing, she's gonna be like one of a couple people left.
To
defend.
And she's gonna have like purpose now, like.
Yeah.
Wow.
I want to see where Aki is too. Aki better be like somewhere healing. All right, we're gonna check out this ending. We're at 22, 28, and play.
Is this her again, Himeno?
Yup.
This girl sounds familiar. Is it Eimer?
Damn.
Are those intestines? Oh. Oh. Oh, it is Eimer. Dude, her voice is really good. Dude.
I love that ability. Or devil's ability.
Who is that?
I think that was her still. Himeno.
Dude, that
was my favorite song.
this girl is really good.
That for sure was my favorite song.
Yeah.
Of all the endings.
This shit is getting done.
I love everything about this show.
Yeah.
Has been amazing.
Pretty dang good. Quite intrigued.
It's a top 3 anime. My top 3 anime right now, not in order.
Demon Slayer, Attack on Titan, and Chainsaw Man.
Yes.
Me too.
Yes. But then JJK and My Hero are like right 4 and 5, like not far away. Especially JJK. And we're still early in JJK.
I know,
so
yeah.
I know there's still a lot of potential for that. And I actually love JJK, the concept. This is good, y'all. I hope you guys enjoy watching this with us. I know. Say the word.
Who shall I sacrifice?
That may be beyond my abilities at the moment.
Oh, so I can't sacrifice Siri, I guess.
Siri heard us.
All right, y'all. Goodbye. We're heading out. Remember, live with good vibes. Sushi Squad. Peace.
Love y'all.